Start recording. Stop recording button.
Hey YouTube, what's going on? I tried making this video once, but I'm gonna have to redo it because I kind of messed up. But this is just a quick little video talking about, in case you're ever wondering, how in the world does first alert one linking work? Well, the best way to describe first alert one linking is that if you have a first alert smoke detector that is one link technology, and basically what one link technology is a radio signal that makes the alarms communicate, and when they communicate, if one sounds, they all sound. So I can test them here, and just to show you how one linking works, because it's pretty cool, because when I test one unit, all units will sound, so it's pretty cool. And you link them all the same way, and I've already given a tutorial on that, but maybe sometime I will do another linking tutorial on my on my my smoke alarm collector channel. Maybe I will do another linking video on that channel, But yeah, so on my right here, I have a first alert talking one link, and then on the left is a first alert talking one link. The only one that's not talking is the one right here in the middle. This one is actually hardwired, but you don't have to use hard wiring. You could just use the battery. And also, the one up by my door is actually a regular talking smoke detector. So basically, what happens is it doesn't matter which alarm I start a test on. When I start a test on one unit, all the other units will play right along and talk to each other and all test each other. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my ear protection on and show you guys how this works. So like I said, when I start one test, that's when all heck will break loose.
Testing. Testing. Testing.
Oh wow, that one was late. Okay, that one was really late.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in hallway. Evacuate.
Oh, that one was really late.
Evacuate.
Wow. Okay.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. In hallway. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Alright, and that is pretty much how first alert one link works. Like I said, it doesn't matter which unit is tested first. No matter which alarm unit you start a test on, all the other units start testing at the same time. Which I don't know why, but for some reason that last alarm came in very late. I don't know why. That's kind of concerning actually, because these three, this one, and this one, these three actually came in at a good time, which is what we want. The other ones did not. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there we go. All right. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to get more questions, like I said, First Alert's not the first person to do this. Kitty does it too.
Send message.
And
phone. Contacts. Back button.
if you would like
Contacts. Heading.
more information on how to link these and how to use them, you can
section in Austin Hein.
This is my other phone line. You can reach me at
Activity
this one.
message call video mail pay birthday father no check contact edit button done dim add photo first name last name nickname activity company text add phone add email button add phone button add ringtone text tone add URL add address add text ringtone add email add phone button.
What is my phone number?
You don't have a phone number listed on your contact card.
Okay, so let me go to the phone settings here.
Cancel button.
Open phone settings.
Settings. Generate about.
Okay, why does it do that? It doesn't even
Wi-Fi, Bluetooth,
in the right area.
phone, screen, control, display, home, axe, wall, see, touch, limit, back, private, apps, wallet, part, mail,
Alright.
contact, calendar, no, remind, voice, phone, voice memos, button, phone, make phone. Allow phone to access. See, note, incoming, announce call, my number, +1, I, number.
Okay, so if you guys
Speak words, characters, +1.
I'm using this phone number also as like a YouTube subscriber number. So like, if any of you guys would like more information on how to do things like this, like how to use the link system and everything related to this topic, you can reach me via this phone at
Space, left parent,
680
right parent, space, 8
7
hyphen, 3
3280. That's how you guys can find me, is by that phone right there. And I will leave it in this. I will leave this in the description too, so you have easy access to it if you need to reach me for any reason. I will leave it in the description too, so you guys can have easy access to this. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.